Hey guys, hope you've all been doing good. Let's just see. Hang on, seems likely. Okay. I mean, hopefully Lucy doesn't steal me while I'm doing this intro. But in today's video, I played Animal Company with some of my friends. One you will remember from the Devigo video, if of course you watched that, which you probably didn't. You know, did you? Well, yeah, let's get into it. In this video, I'm gonna be shooting people. Alright, these are my two little helpers. We have here...
Oh, hello.
His name's Hello. And we have here...
Luke. Hi, my name's Luke.
So we have
know me, Ben.
Luke. Hi, my name's Luke. And that's Ben from the other video.
What?
The Devigo video.
No, I'm
we
Luke.
did.
I'm Luke.
No,
The
your name's
Devigo
now
video.
Luke.
This
Hi,
is
I'm
me.
Luke. This is me. Alright, should we start off with somewhere easy, like the chicken?
Mimic cake, mimic cake, mimic cake, mimic cake.
Oh no, the music's finished. Well, I guess you'll just have to listen to me singing. Keep up, but too fast, don't too fast, but back later on. I got in and there was it was just me and one other player, so now it's full.
Who else wants to play a server?
Alright, so let's get to business.
Me, I do.
I say we go get an egg.
Taking care of business every day.
Wait, hang on.
Where are you?
The code is pizza.
Can I have a
The
crowbar?
code is pizza.
Give me one of those crowbars. Come on, bro.
1-6.
Crowbarman does whatever the fuck Crowbarman wants to do.
Wait, never mind.
George, where are you? I have a crowbar.
Free bag, everyone, free bag.
No!
Take it.
Free bag, bro.
We know what
Crowbar
you're
man,
doing.
don't.
Nah, how is bro so smart?
Take it, grab it, grab it.
Grab it, it's free bag.
George!
That
Did you
was so
actually
good,
do
he
it?
got done. Oh, my hand!
I can't. I didn't even get me.
Happens, huh?
Sorry, Crowbar Man.
Bro, I'm
Sorry,
sorry, where
crowbar
are
man.
you? I'll give you your crowbar.
Thank you.
Bro,
Crowbar Man, do you want your
Yeah,
crowbar
you
back?
can't even...
crowbar man?
Sorry, crowbar.
George!
You're
George,
actually fine.
Tell them your channel name.
Everybody subscribe to Red!
Done is bad things so far, so I think we're gonna give it away. Let's give to the homeless.
Hey, who wants a free shotgun?
Me!
Free shotgun!
Me! Oh no!
Go fetch!
Blasted my brains out.
Oh, that was a terrible throw.
Oh, fuck, yeah.
You win a free... chip bear. Yeah, that wasn't me. Crowbar Man won the free shotgun.
Crowbar Man is Crowbar Man's cool.
Oh yeah. Crowbar Man called this moment.
George, can you buy me a
Can I buy you a shotgun? Sure.
Doing that shotgun right now.
I'm rich, everyone.
He's trying to shoot.
Wait a minute, I want a gun.
Nah, what the hell?
Keep up, I'm too fast, put that glitter on that glitter, then I'm gone. I keep up on my drag, on these glitter, then I'm glitter, then I'm gone.
Oh,
B button. Press
I
the B
got it.
button. There you go.
thanks, Crowbar Man.
Can I have bullets?
Nah, we
Crowbar
had a
Man always here
shotgun.
to save the
We
day.
have a
Shotgun party.
plan here, man.
Shotgun dude. Can I have a shotgun bullet?
You can buy your own shotgun bullets. I already got you a shotgun.
Yo, guys.
Everybody meet in the
guys,
meet.
In the safe zone.
Yo, guys.
Guys, let's have a shooting party. Shoot pink.
How?
Thanks.
This one, Crowbar Man, has ammo in it.
Yeah!
Don't kill him.
Ah, man!
Don't kill him.
Nobody
Kill him.
You know, at the end of a hard work's day, I deserve to shoot some kids.
Roll the guy right now. Fire.
Shoot him now!
Oh hey, viewer, since you made it so far, here are some bonus clips which I didn't include in the video.
Sound like you're constipated. Killing kids is what I do. Yeah! Screw Matrix.